Tell us a bit about this van then.
Hi guys, so I'm Grace and I'm from Project Yonder, and this is our 3x4X utility. So we've designed this one to kind of go off-grid for extended periods of time. You've got extra storage, huge battery capacity, and everything you really need to go on a long trip, really.
Stay away for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I've seen this on YouTube because I think you've put a few YouTube videos out, haven't you?
So
and this is the most recent one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Because we're building a van at the moment, which is a 4x4 Sprinter, same as this long wheelbase. So
oh wow! So how far through are you?
Empty van.
Oh, okay.
A literally empty van.
So you're researching today?
Yeah, researching. So that's why it would be nice to have a look in this, because the layout that you've got in here is the similar or the layout that we wanted. Like so it gives a good idea. We've already got a big Iveco daily now. We self-built 5 years ago, but technology, everything's moved on, hasn't it? Literally moved on that much that. What you do next, sort of thing, or what?
Ready for a refresh.
Yeah. Show us around then.
Yeah, come in. So we've got some nice features like this. So you've got Project Yonder torch, which is
torch in there. Yeah.
We're using a marine cork floor.
I saw that. Yeah, it is actually. Oh, it is as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's slightly softer underfoot, and it's thermally and acoustically insulating as well.
Yeah.
And then hop in.
Yeah. Thank you.
So obviously you've got the 4 seats in this one.
Yeah, so this is 4 seat belted as such, yeah?
Yeah, so 4 seats, and actually temporary beds are cab bunks that go across the front seats there. So it's kind of designed for people taking kids, but not all the time.
All the time, yeah. Mainly for 4, is it?
Yeah,
mainly, yeah.
Yeah. So you've got combined toilet and shower and wet room in this one, so with the removable composting toilet.
Oh, so it's a compost toilet, yeah. Which is getting more of the popular thing now, to be honest, isn't it?
Exactly. And that's a thermal screen, so you can use it as a drying room.
Oh, so that just drops down rather a tamper or the likes of, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a complete drying room. We're no gas on board, so you've got electric hob.
Totally all electric.
Yeah, you've got a big sink under the bamboo chopping board there. Filter. Tap.
Filtration.
Yeah, so you can drink straight from your tank.
I see you got aircon as well, which is one of the main.
Yeah.
If you're going hot countries.
Yeah, exactly. And
you've got your own system, haven't you, on these?
Yeah, so we are first people in the UK to partner with Garmin on this, and this is our completely Project Yonder branded HMI system. So this will do everything from your heating hot water to all of your lights, and even sort of your awning in and out as well. We set a few sort of nice light modes and things, so you can have everything off, everything on, and even set a nice evening mode there,
that's clever.
Really
that
nice.
is.
Yeah.
Like you say, this is the first. I haven't seen that before. Where you can do it all touchscreen from there.
So you got all your lights on dimmers, which is really
cool.
Nice. Water system.
So you can literally read everything from there, where all the levels, everything.
All your dump valves and things are on here.
Oh, so automatically.
Yeah, and you can connect it to your mobile phone. So
so you can do
phone round to where your dump valve is, and then make sure you're over the drain and empty it out. So all your monitoring here as well, and then same for all your electrical.
That's lovely.
monitoring.
And you got all the. That's all like a vinyl sort of roof, isn't it? Yeah.
Marine vinyl.
Yeah. A lot of marine theme, like you say, with the flooring and everything, isn't it?
Yeah. So we just kind of gone for picking the best of everything, really.
And the bed is that do you sleep that way across or on this one?
Yeah. So across the way, you've got just over 2
pods.
meters.
Yeah.
Between the pods there, and the bed's 150 wide, so it's really a king size bed.
But it's storage, isn't it? You've got so much storage. Yeah, all the storage space.
Freezer there as well.
I see that, in the video that you've got the big fridge freezer, which is ideal, isn't it, really?
Yeah, just to give people that extra space.
It's the aircon I like, because when we were in, where was it, last year in Italy and it was like 40 degrees.
Yeah, you really need that.
We got none in ours at all, nothing. Just one of them plug-in 230 volt sort of freezer blowers, but not the same. All done on the Sprinter, obviously.
Yeah, so we're on the long wheelbase all-wheel drive Sprinter here.
That's the new one, yeah.
So brand new model. Sort of had all your comfort upgrades as standard. So you've got heated seats and obviously your captain swivel seats.
Looking at them and the swivel seats.
This one's actually got CCTV as well, so we've installed a 360
all round,
camera CCTV as well.
And what tonnage is this? Is it 4.2, 5 point?
We uprate them to 4.4.
4.4.
Yeah, so you get about 700
kilos, a bit more, which is, you need that.
Yeah.
That's what I've just been looking into now with that one we got, just trying to see how far we can push it up in weight. Cause I like also the side rails as well.
Yeah, so this is Dutch Van parts, side steps.
Oh, yeah.
We're UK fitter for their parts.
So you do that for them as well. You can, yeah. So you got the on the back as well. Wow, that's a nice setup, isn't it? Oh, so you got the bike racks to pull out as well.
Yeah, so you can kind of mix and match the drawers how you want them. So you've got the bike rack there, and then you've got the outdoor electric barbecue.
Oh yeah, I remember this on the video you did. Yeah, that's cool. That is.
Let's do lights there as well.
Get the mood. Yeah, it's brilliant. And then underneath you got even store little bits and pieces. Yeah, your wires or your hookups or whatever. Or
massive storage drawer.
yeah.
And these are they'll take a lot of weight as well.
Yeah.
So heavy duty runners.
You'll
really
have a look in the back of here. That's ideal. So you got your bikes. You got your outdoor kitchen.
Oh wow, you're the outside cook. I'm the inside cook.
That is a nice setup. That is. And all your electrics. What water you got on board? What?
So the 120 litre fresh.
Is that under, or is that in?
Yeah, it's all underslung.
Underslung, yeah.
Like freezing blankets as well. So yeah.
Brilliant. Like you say, it's all electric. So you haven't got to worry about, as in gas or anything like that.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. So if anybody wants a van built, they just come to you guys then.
Yeah.
So where are you based, or?
Down in Hastings on the south coast.
Oh yeah, yeah. And do the customers bring you a van, or do you build it from brand new?
We can do either. So we'll build only onto brand new sprinters.
Yeah.
Sprinters of a certain age.
Yeah.
Mostly the customer comes to us and we supply the van to them because we have a direct relationship with Mercedes, so we can kind of
Ideal.
get chassis and get them built to a high spec. And then we work through an order process with them. They can pick and choose what they do and don't want from our spec list, and then
Brilliant.
choose the colours and off they go.
Yeah.
Call that down the doors as well.
Yeah, that's the fly screen, isn't it, on the back, and a like a thermal thing for the winter time.
Yeah,
I like that old storage on the doors.
No, the store. Oh yeah, the storage. Yeah. That's
Van der Moon
again, isn't it?
Yeah, these are really handy. So we've got a couple of options for these. We could do this obviously the full door, and for another customer, so they can keep the look inside, they've gone for our standard door card on the top and the Van der Moon on the bottom.
Brilliant.
So when the doors are shut, kind of use Project Yonder inside. So
that's good. That is. So Van der Moon are the side steps as well, aren't they, on the side?
No, that's Dutch Van parts.
Oh, that's Dutch Vans.
Yeah,
I remember you saying Dutch Van parts.
Yeah, so the rack as well. That's
that's Dutch.
Van parts.
Yeah.
And then you've got the laser lights.
Can't beat a Sprinter though, can you? To be honest with you, it's so good. Yeah.
Definitely.
Anyway, guys, so if you want to have a van built, just get into. Have you got a website, obviously?
Yeah, get in touch with www.projectyonder.co.uk. I'm Grace and that's Charlie.
Yeah, I'll put it obviously in the description below anyway. Thank you, guys. Thank you both.
Thank you.